I'm going to do a bike check on my 2014 United Martinez Expert. My top tube is 20.65. I have Colt Van grips. I'm getting new ones soon because I hate these Odyssey bar ends. Best bar ends of life. Get them. Odyssey brakes, gyro, everything. Odyssey monolever with the hinge. Evo 2 Odyssey brakes. My bars have an 8.6 rise, 28.5 width. Stock forks. They're just forks. 2.10 Animal MTT tires. They're amazing tires. I think this is female axle, front hub. Really nice. Just crappy peg it came with. Odyssey twisted PCs. Amazing. Taya 410 chain. It just came with the bike, and I memorized the name. What else do we got? Animal 2.10 MTT tire in the back. Grinding. Make me sad. Crappy back peg along with the front one. I don't think there's anything else, so gonna do a hub sound. Oh, and I have two 36 whatever double wall rims, front and back. Alright, I'm gonna do a hub sound. Pretty nice for band stock. Just to do it, I'm gonna do a drop test. Oh, and my seat, it's a United Martinez Beacon pivotal seat. Comes loose a lot, but it's, other than that, it's good. I don't like this plastic thing, it cuts me. So that's my bike check, and comment, subscribe, like, get us out there. We're gonna be doing edits. We have another bike check to do, and we're gonna be doing an unboxing soon of pegs, grips, maybe a new sprocket because the sprocket's messed up, but bye.